Hello guys, and today we're going to be savage as I'm going to be playing the FPS game I used to play on a Chromebook. Similar to Minecraft. Okay, it's compatible I guess for my Chromebook. I am really off picture there, yeah. I just saw a video. Just got this idea. Yeah, because when I first downloaded it was probably, I think it was on when I first got this game, it was like 80 megabits, it was free, still free. And next, if you want me to do Block Strike, which is the game which I have in my intro, and it's, thank God it's compatible, we'll play this game, because I play on my tablet. If you want to see my Block Strike channel, I'm actually gonna show you my Block Strike channel. If I can get it up, of course. Okay, it's all successfully installed. I'll show you it. Okay. I think Kelly is there more. Sorry about that. I'll put, if not, I'll change it back to Cow Black Strike. Okay, it's Cow Gaming now. This is my Block Strike channel. I know it only has 3 intros. Oh yeah, because I have this if you want. Yeah. But proof I actually play Block Strike there. But okay, it's opening. Okay. This is normal. It used to be, it was always been this loading screen. Since I started playing this game in 2017. Just hope this look. Wow, they really updated this menu. Just use gas login. I mean, I haven't played in a while. Playing the 7s now. 7.0s now. Let's just name myself Chrome. This is Battle Royale apparently, guys. I'm gonna use the AWSD. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have to do. I could just play Fortnite on the Chromebook. I just don't like Battle Royale games. Okay, I'm guess this isn't. Okay, really. Okay, how do I even do it? Not letting me, bro. I'm on a Chromebook. Let me just this. I'm gonna be on savage. Right, where's the chambers? Okay, I think this is broken, guys. Okay, I think the only thing I have is... Oh. Yeah, I remember there's always been adverts. But I even heard someone saying I got way too many ads. was just a prank. Whoa, what is going? I haven't played this in a long time. We've even got download skin. The original game now got double size. More like slim from mine. Okay. We've even got what is 3D now? Oh my god. That's a bit weird. Is that one? Yeah. It's not even working, to be honest. Can't even actually use the paintbrush. This is weird. Okay. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to stop this recording here. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like. I don't care about my name and just delete it. Wait, have we actually changed? Yeah, yeah, it didn't even say the currency. That's weird. It used to say currency, but only in dollars. If you enjoy this video, bye.